This is your second measurement test. We did measurement a few weeks ago, and now we're going to be doing some more measurement, getting in with rulers. So I need you to write your name at the top and also look at the board and put the date down for today. Remember, you may pause this video or rewind it if you need to listen to directions again. The first one says, number the objects by shortest to longest using 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the shortest. So here I have 3 markers with 3 boxes underneath. Inside each box, you're going to put the numbers 1, 2, or 3 to show me the shortest, the next tallest, and then the tallest. Remember, shortest is 1, your medium is 2, and your tallest is 3. So you should be writing those numbers in right now. The next one says, measure how long the object is. Write your answer on the line. So my object is a purple rectangle. I am seeing how many of these boxes long that purple rectangle is. Once you've counted how long, please write your answer here on this line. Remember, you may pause as you are counting. The next one says, measure how long the object is. Write your answer on the line. I have given you a ruler here on your test. You're going to be looking at how many inches long that crayon is. Remember, if it's not perfectly under a number or over a number, you're going to be going to the nearest inch, so the nearest number you see. You're going to be writing that answer here on this line. The next one says, measure how long the object is with a ruler. Write your answer on the line. Your teacher will give you a ruler when you are ready, and you're going to measure how wide or how long this green rectangle is. Line up your ruler and measure how long it is. And remember, we're going to the nearest inch, and you can write your answer here on the line. Don't forget to write IN for inches. The last question says, see your teacher to measure with blocks. Your teacher is going to have an object for you. You are going to measure with blocks. She can see if you can measure with blocks or if you cannot measure with blocks, and she'll mark that on your test.